Our story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. A rare model. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. Make a great choice today with the 2018 Clarity. The future is now with the Honda Clarity sedan. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, floor mats, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.